Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to paste a signature in a PDF document on a laptop. Digitally signing documents is a common and efficient practice today. We will explore two primary methods: using built-in PDF viewers and employing dedicated PDF editing software. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes once you have your signature ready. Let's get started with the first method. Many laptops come with pre-installed PDF viewers that offer signing capabilities. For example, Preview on Mac or Microsoft Edge on Windows often have these features. Simply open your PDF, find the signature tool, and either draw your signature with your mouse or trackpad, type it out, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. You can then easily drag and drop it into place and adjust its size. For more advanced options, or if your built-in viewer lacks signing features, dedicated PDF software is an excellent choice. Programs like Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is free to download, provide robust signing tools. Navigate to the Fill and Sign option, which allows you to create and save multiple signatures. You can then effortlessly apply your chosen signature to any field in your PDF, ensuring a professional finish. After successfully placing your signature, it is crucial to save your document correctly. Always save it as a new file, perhaps adding sign to the file name, to keep the original untouched. Make sure your signature is clearly visible and appropriately sized. If you are using an image of your signature, a transparent background will make it blend seamlessly. Double-check everything before sending your document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.